Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the HTML tag. By using HTML, we can create a simple company profile here. So in order to type HTML tag, we have to go for one of the text editor here. So I'll open with a notepad. In notepad, we have to type the HTML text and that should be run in the browser in order to create the web page. Actually, HTML hypertext markup language, it is a tagged language used to create the web pages. In order to design and structure the web pages as per requirement, our HTML, it will be started with the statement doc type HTML. Doc type in the sense it is a document type. This document type, it will be passing all the tag languages and that it will give the interpretation to the browser in order to run with the program. So here we have a first tag, it is HTML. Within HTML, we are created with the head. Now, time being, just I'll be removing this entire body here, up to here. I'll cut this one. So this is a simple tag, doc type and HTML head. It is in the nested form. Always the tag language, it will be in the nested form. Whatever the tag it is open, for that we have a respective closing tag. That close, it will be indicated with the forward slash here. Like this head, it will be closed with the slash and title, it will be closed with the slash. Means which one it is created later, that it will be closed first, and which it is created earlier, that it will be closed last. This format of the nesting, including one statement into another statement, is called as a nested format here. So in this, suppose just if I take one of the statement, here I'll be creating the body. By creating body, just I'll print something. Body. So within this body, I may go for hello. How it is displaying in the web page, that we can notice. So before running this one into the browser, we have to save it out. In order to save, just I'll click upon the save here and I'll go to the proper location where it is required to store. Path I'll be selecting. I'll store it in the MBA. In MBA, just I'll give the name company dot HTML. Any name you have to give, that extension will be HTML for this. comp.html it is given. Just I'll save it out. And now we have to switch to the same file here where it is stored. Just we have to open that one. Here we have it is stored in MBA. In MBA, we have to select the file company. Now you can notice that icon of this company file, it will be in the Microsoft Edge. That is the browser format. Means now it is stored in the browser. We can run it directly within the browser itself. Just let me double click on this. It will run the program. It will be running and it will shows the output here. Now our output it will be created. So now again we have to come back to the notepad. And further, whatever the updates we need to take, we can here. Within body, that just I'll be taking some more statements here. Here we have a body. Within body, we have a heading 1. Heading 1 as well as image. This much I'll be taking. Remaining I'll remove here. Heading 1, that welcome to our company, that H1. Like this, if I need one more heading, I can go for the H2. And here I may say this is, it may be small letter or capital letter. It is a non-case sensitive language. Means small and capital letters cannot create any difference. So just I can go for welcome here. And I'll be taking this one as a heading 2. Okay. Now by saving this one, I'll save this and I'll go to the same browser. I'll go for the refresh. So by doing refresh, now company.html, it is created the image also. This is the output. Here we have a heading and this one it is a subheading H1 as well as H2. And this is the image it is created. From where it is coming means one more statement we have taken, that is the image SRC. This is the tag. This is the tag how to insert the image here. Just what I'll do, I'll remove this one and I'll be removing this also. Okay. So here for the image tag, we have a IMG as well as SRC. IMG stands for the image here. SRC is the source from where I need to connect. I need to link the image from where I am retrieving. I am taking the image. That path I have to show here. Suppose now I need to take the image from the picture folder here. I'll open with the picture. In picture, we have a different images. Which of the image it is required? Just I'll be copying that one. How to copy means I'll double click on this. First, by double clicking, we have to notice the path. What is the path of the picture? Right click. Otherwise, you have to go for the right click. In right click, it will be showing the properties. Okay, in properties, we can notice what is the path of the picture, location. So location, it is in the C users, admin, and pictures. This is the path where our image it is stored. This is the path and name of the image, it is the company here. So now I'll be copying this one, Control C. I'll come to the source where we have taken the source. Just we have to paste. Now till here it is not over. We have to mention the name of the picture. This is just a path. So name of the picture is, here it is given, that is the company. This is the name of the picture. I'll copy this also. And this is the form of JPG file. It is a JPG file here. So here we have a control V dot JPG that we have to keep. And then here we have an alternative. Suppose due to some problem, it is not possible to display the picture. Then any alternative text it has to display here. What is the text to be displayed? That company name. Suppose now company, just we have to assume ABC is the name of the company. That I'll give as the alternative to this one. Means in case it is not possible to display the picture, it will go for the text here. Now I'll save this one. I'll save and I'll come back to the browser. Here, already it is running. I'll go for the refresh and whatever the picture it is uploaded, that it will be displayed on the screen. This is how we can show the image on the screen here in the browser. Then again, come back to the editor here, text editor. Then further, if I need to take that href tag, here we have a anchor tag I need to take, hyperlink I need to create. I can go for hyperlink here. So here we have a control P. This much I'll remove. Now do want here. So here, this is how to insert the image up to here. And here we have a P. Paragraph it is created. P means it is a paragraphic tag here. Within that, we are given the statement visit our website. This is visit our website, it is given. And in between this tag, this complete tag, it is for the href, means hyperlink. It will be linking with a particular location here. So now here we have a already a href in double quotes. It is given the URL address. URL address of the KUD it is given here. That https kud.ac.in, that it is given. So how it is creating the link? Just we have to notice here. I'll save the same and I'll come back to the browser here. And I'll run this. Means again, once again, I have to refresh. So after by refreshing, here you can notice visit our website, that it will be shown in the bottom. Here we have a visit our website. I'll click upon this website. It will opens with the KUD website here because it is created link to the KUD website. Again, come back to the same page. This is the web page which we are running here. Okay. And like that, next here we have a further tags we have to notice. In this, suppose now I need paragraphic text with a bold, underline, italicized and all, and code format also I need to take. Then here, just I'll remove this much. This is for the image and this is for the hyperlink in order to create link with the different sites and all. So name of the link, it will be website. It is given in between the anchor tag. A, it is started here and A, it is closed here. And this is the linked website where we are creating the link. href is the tag for the creation of the link. And here after this link, here we have a website. That is the name of the link here. And here we have a paragraphic text. Within the paragraph, I need to take bold, underline, italicized and all. Here we have a bold, underline, italicized. It is created. Paragraphic, bold, underline and italicized. And respective tag we have to close. This is the bold here. The which one it is closed last, that it should be created last, that should be closed first. Here I'll remove this paragraph. Already one more paragraph, it is closed there itself. So here we have a bold, underline, italicized. Last closed, it is italicized here, created. So it will be closed. And after that, we have to close with the underline. And then after that, we have to close with the bold. Okay, and then we have to close the paragraph here. Here it is, end of the paragraph. So in paragraphic text, suppose any of the text I need to highlight here with a bold, underline and italicized. Here bold, underline, italicized, that italicized, underline, bold. It is closed respectively. And here we have a code, high quality code, that coding and all in the different font style, code font style you need to take, that you have to go for this one. So just let me save this one and I'll run in the browser. So output, it will be appeared like this. Now you can go down here. Here we have a welcome to innovative solution, that which it is taken under the bold, underline as well as italicized. And this is the code format what we have taken, that it will be visible in the screen here. And once again, we have to come back to the text editor, and remaining part of the code we have to take here. Here we have a color. Suppose now you need to change the style, color and all you need to change. In this we have a bold, it is taken. Bold, underline, italicized, any of the format you have to apply. And span style equals to color blue, it is given. That name of that text, it is a contact us. It is taken within the bold itself. Either I can create one more paragraph for this. I'll be creating the paragraph, or else just I'll remove this paragraph from here and that I'll be ending here in this. I'll go for the /p, end of the paragraph. Now I'll save this and I'll run in the browser. So again, we have to refresh it. Here you can notice in the same line, we have a style that is bold, italicized, and this is of the code style, and this is the color what we are filled with the text, for the text we are filling. And one more last tag, it is the anchor tag we can apply here. So anchor tag means if any of the latest informations and all in website you might have noticed, it will be scrolling from left to right. For that, one of the tag it is used, that is a marquee. And marquee, along with that, some of the parameters we are providing here. One is the direction, means movement of the data, that text, it will be in the right direction. Behavior, what type of the movement, that is the scrolling. And background color and all we can fill as per the requirement. Any color we can take here. And what is the text it is taken for the moment, that it will be displayed with this one. Stay in touch for new products. That is the text we have taken in the marquee. And here the respective marquee tag, it is closed. Now let me run this one. I'll run the entire page, that web page. Here we have a body and HTML. Without this body HTML, if you run means it cannot give the output. It is wrong here. So now I can go for the refresh. Here I can notice now the text, it will be scrolling from left to right. This is how we can create a simple company website. If I need to create the link with any of the other site here, company to company link and all, I may go for this one. It will be creating the link. And image of that you need to show. Here we have a company related images, different product images and all we can display like this. And heading for the company and some body related formats and all you need to take, that you can take like this. So this is how we can create one simple, very simple company profile here. Now let me come back to the HTML tag here. Which are the main tags we are discussed means? Here we have a first of all HTML. It is one of the important tag, head tag, title tag, and body tag. These are the genuine tags for each and every HTML tag program it is required. So head 1, head 2, that H1, H2, H3 and all these are representing the headings here. In order to insert the image, we have a image SRC tag. In image SRC, we have to give the path to which it is required to connect. And this is the alternative. Alternative means in case it is inconvenient to display the image, it will be showing the text here. And then next we have a paragraphic tag. Within this, we have given a href. Href means that anchor tag. It is A stands for the anchor. And here it will be referencing hypertext reference language, that it will be referring the different sites here. That now which of the site we have taken? We have taken the KUD site here. And here we have a paragraph, bold, underline, italicized. You may create any of the format, but how it is created in the respective format, you have to go for the closing. Until to close that format, it will be applicable for the continued text. And here we have a code format it is taken. Colors and all you need to apply. That should be in the tag style. That span style equals to color. What is the color it is? Now it is the blue. You can go for the red, pink, yellow, any color you can apply here. And what is the text is required to display in that particular color, that it will be shown here. And it is end of the span here. And here we have a marquee. That marquee, it is to move, to scroll the text from left to right. If I have taken at the bottom, it will comes in the bottom position. And if it is required at the top, I may take that one in the top position also. Here, before body itself, I can take. Now, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching.